was passionate about acquiring the wings. Joined the Air Force in search of the wing. He found the wings. He flew across the world with his wings, performed great exploits with his wings, trained and mentored many with his wings, was extremely proud of his wings. Alas, without a sign, it disappeared just too soon with his wing. Adieu, Adanu boy, adieu, Grebe child. You lived and died with your wings on. God bless you.
That there are different times in this world.
Group Captain Ochai was highly committed. Only recently he graduated 16 student pilots as cadets. This is something that was last done about 32 years ago. And this was something that was done in just 4 months. Even from that alone, it's very, very clear to all that the sense of commitment and hard work of this distinguished Nigerian is exemplary.
Gabriel died because he put sense of duty before the fear of death. A very nationalistic and a very patriotic dear brother. Lieutenant Colonel Yoni Netanyahu, the junior brother to current Israeli Prime Minister, when he was to undertake the mission to rescue hostages at Entebbe, a rabbi told him he was not coming back alive. And his question was, will the mission be successful? They told him yes, and he said he's going ahead. That is the spirit Gabriel Adan Ochai had. He put nation first, before self-interest, before family interest.
We are nearly coming to the end of this morning's proceedings. The next item
Welcome to Forstview Luxury Hotel. At Forstview Luxury Hotel, we offer excellent service. Our rooms have all the necessary facilities to make your stay comfortable and memorable. You will also have access to internet service, breakfast, 24-hour power supply, full air condition, free international calls, free tire pumping service, and free car battery charge. So what are you waiting for? Quickly visit Forstview Luxury Hotel. We are located at number 1 Adeline Mishile off Raji Rasaki Road, First Estate, Amuwo, Odofin Festac, Lagos. For more information or reservation, please call us on 08075787135 or 08099900601. You can also take advantage of our online ongoing promo at www.forceviewhotel.com to make your reservation and payment for your favorite room, which attracts a discount rate. Please note, rooms are reserved based on first come, first serve. Forstview Luxury Hotel. Experience the home of comfort. They come.